Dogs in the zodiac embody loyalty and honesty. Individuals blessed with the dog sign walk life's path with integrity and a protective instinct. Known for their unwavering loyalty, dogs are the true friends of the zodiac, always ready to stand up for what's right and support their loved ones with fierce dedication. Finding harmony with tigers and horses, dogs share a bond of mutual respect and shared ideals, creating alliances based on trust and mutual support. Yet dragons might challenge the dog's sense of justice, sparking dynamic confrontations. Ready to embrace the dog's noble spirit, let loyalty and truth guide your steps as you navigate life with the courage and faithfulness of a dog.